In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Thinkific checkout thank you page and add upsells. The thank you page is the first screen your new student sees right after a successful purchase. It's a powerful moment to reinforce their decision, guide them to the next step, and, if you choose, offer relevant products that add value. Let's make it work for you. Start by heading into your Thinkific admin and navigate to Channels, then Website, and open the Default Pages tab. This is where Thinkific keeps the system pages that come with your site, including the checkout confirmation. From there, find and open the checkout thank you page in Site Builder. This launches the familiar page editor so you can customize the look and feel the same way you would any other page on your site. Inside the editor, you can tailor the headline, supporting copy, and imagery to welcome your new student and set expectations. A clear message like, "You're in, here's what happens next," goes a long way. Keep things simple and reassuring so learners know where to click and what to expect immediately after purchase. If you'd like to increase average order value or surface helpful next steps, this is a great place to add upsells or other post-purchase elements. Thinkific makes this easy. Look for the option labeled Upsell Additional Products and enable it. Turning this on will display other courses or products on the thank you page, giving learners a natural path to continue with related content. Choose offers that complement what they just bought to keep the experience cohesive and helpful. To place a dedicated upsell area on the page, use the built-in section designed for this purpose. Click Add Section. Select Upsells, which is a smart section, and then Save. The Upsells Smart section automatically pulls in products you've configured to upsell and presents them in a clean layout that fits your site's design. You can adjust the section's title and description to match your brand voice. Something friendly and benefit-focused tends to perform best. As you refine the page, aim for clarity over clutter. A concise thank you message, a clear next action, and one focused upsell block usually deliver a better experience than too many competing elements. If you include visuals, keep them consistent with your course branding, and make sure any calls to action are easy to spot. That's all there is to it. By going to Channels, then Website, opening the Default Pages tab, editing the checkout thank you page in Site Builder, enabling upsell additional products, and adding the Upsells Smart section, you've turned a simple confirmation page into a thoughtful, on-brand moment that can drive more engagement and sales.